Hey everybody! In this video we're going to talk about evaluating functions, linear and quadratic or cubic. So let's take a look. The functions f and g are defined as follows. F of x equals 3x cubed plus 5 and g of x equals 4x plus 2. Find g of negative 4 and g of negative 5. Well, let's first think about what these mean. Well, f of x is how I said that. F is the name of the function. X is the input of the function, so whatever we're putting in, and this whole f of x is the output of the function whenever we put in that given value for x. Okay, just like a machine. You put something in, you get something different out. Input and output. Alright, so if our function f of x is defined as 3x cubed plus 5, and we're told to plug in negative 4 into our function for x. So f of negative 4, well, we're going to take our function f, and into that x value, we're going to put in a negative 4. Make sure you use parentheses. It always ends up working nicer, and students don't tend to miss things when they do. They miss less things. So what is 4 cubed? Remember your order of operations. 4 cubed is going to be negative 64. We're going to add 5. So now we multiply. So 3 times negative 64 is negative 192. And then we're going to add 5 to that. So, what's negative 192 plus 5? That is negative 187. Alright. We're also told we need to find g of negative 5. We're gonna go to the g function and plug in that negative 5 right into the function. So g, our input now becomes negative 5. That's 4 times negative 5. Plus 2, which equals negative 20 plus 2, which equals negative 18. So, what are our answers? G of negative 5 equals negative 18, and f, our function f, when we put in negative 4, equals 187.